Today, we'll see high temperatures topping off near 90 degrees. This is really the first day when we have to talk about the heat index, or the feels like temperature, combining in, of course, that high humidity. So this afternoon, when temperatures are at 90 degrees, we could have a triple-digit heat index value. First time we're really talking about this year. And then you'll want to remember those hot weather safety tips, not only today, but tomorrow and Wednesday as well, as we have this taste of summer continuing. And the same thing for tomorrow afternoon. It is going to be a muggy, humid night. And tomorrow we could additionally see that it feels like forecast in the upper 90s or even triple digits. As for physical temperatures, today could be the first day we hit 90 this year. It comes about a week early, so nothing too extreme here in Southeast Texas, but we have a few more days where we could be in the 90s. On Tuesday and Wednesday, we got that warm, humid air coming in from the Gulf, and I do anticipate the sunshine breaking through today, so that's what's really going to give us the boost in temperatures to spike to 90. Then later this week, you do see a big downhill trend with temperatures once we get to Friday, and that's because of our next weather system rolling in that will bring us a couple of fronts. So first front arrives on Wednesday. This is going to be somewhat of a weaker front, but along it we have the chance for a few showers and thunderstorms that could produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall. So we've started to increase the rain chance on Wednesday. This front will likely stall, not completely pass through, so that keeps the opportunity for rain in the forecast on Thursday. Then by Friday, another front will be moving in. That puts rain back in the picture, so we are looking for another wet kind of end of the week, looking into the weekend forecast here in Southeast Texas. So start to think ahead of right now what plans you got heading into the weekend, because rain and thunderstorms could potentially impact them. Right now, Friday is looking to be the rainiest day of that time frame, but of course things can ebb and flow as we start to see that weather system really take shape and evolve. Meanwhile, right now, here's a live look to Houston. It does look like the sunshine is finally starting to break through that morning steam and cloud cover. 84. We are so close to hitting that 90-degree mark. If we're at 84 already at 11 a.m. in the morning, feels like 91 though because of that high humidity. We have dew point temperatures in the 70s, and they're not going anywhere. Very warm and humid start to the week. Right now in Galveston, great day to be on the beach, especially given how warm it is. 82 degrees. Water temperature is in the upper 70s. Very warm for this time of year. Now on 13 Alert Radar, I don't have a lot to talk about right now, which is good news. Pretty dry, pretty quiet. But there are a few things I want to point out on Future Track. First things first, as we go on throughout the day, we're going to give ourselves about a 10% chance of seeing a pop-up shower or storm. I think Future Track is overdoing it a little bit right now, but you can see kind of that isolated hit or miss rain chance in the afternoon and early evening hours. Again, I'm not anticipating some big thunderstorms today, but a shower that could quickly grow, potentially hold some lightning, and then quickly rain out. Not out of the question given how warm and humid it is today, especially if we get a little more sunshine in the forecast. Now moving into tonight, same old, same old. We have clouds increasing into tomorrow morning, a cloudy start to the day, but a difference tomorrow. We are going to see winds pick up a little bit, more sunshine. Then we'll start to see that front approaching us from the north. We don't have any thunderstorms in the forecast for Tuesday, but you can see they're right on our doorstep at about 10, 11 o'clock. I anticipate those will fizzle out before trying to reach Southeast Texas, but that is a sign that that front will be making its way towards us, thus the increase in rain chance for Wednesday. So the rest of the 10-day outlook from here, rain chances climb into Friday. We'll keep the potential for a few showers on Saturday, but you see the cool down with those fronts and that system moving in. That first brings us rain. We go from morning lows in the 70s to afternoon highs in the 70s, which means some slightly cooler mornings to kick off May with temperatures in the 50s.